Hello and welcome back to the USL online voting tutorial. My name is Abdul Sise, and in this tutorial I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to cast your votes online through the USL web portal system. This tutorial is for all eligible students to have equal opportunity to be able to cast their votes irrespective of their mobile phones or computer platform. That means you can use your iPhone, BlackBerry, Android, Nokia and Windows smartphones. You can also use your laptop and desktop computer or any other smartphone or computers. So without any further ado, let's get started. Launch your web browser and type in the search bar usl.edu.sl. and click on search or go. On the home page of the portal, navigate to the Continue Student tab. Click on the drop-down arrow and select Login. On the Login page, select Student. Enter your credentials and click on Login. If you successfully logged in, you should see the following items on your dashboard. Click on the 9 square menu boxes to reveal the submenus and select Online Polling. Scroll to the right by swiping your finger on the screen and click on Cast Votes. Scroll through the available candidates and select your candidate and click on Cast Vote. If you see this Vote Success page, it means your vote was successful. After you've successfully casted your vote, if you try to access the polling with the same student account and credentials, the system will flag it up and give you the following message. That marks the end of this tutorial. I hope this has been informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.